Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So we've talked about the permit process and what kind of things hinder it, but we also want to get into what kind of ratings and what things that the engineers, not only on our team that are designing it, but also for the city are looking for. 99% of the time, they're looking to see if the product you're utilizing has an ICC rating, an ESR or ESR number, or in LA's instance, an LARR in combination with the two. So in the upcoming episodes, we're going to discuss each one of those individually to give you a little bit more in-depth knowledge of exactly what those things mean and what they can mean for your project. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon.